watch in black leather strap, white dial, analog watch, comes with water resistance and Japan movement. As you can see, Japan movement is written. So all the Casio watches come with Japan movement, as Casio is a Japanese brand. So viewers, for the time setting, you can use the middle knob to basically adjust the date and time. You need to pull it up and move it counterclockwise to adjust the date. And to change the time, you need to pull it up further, and you can adjust the time like other analog watches. So the time setting for this Casio watch is pretty straightforward, like other analog watches. We are going to try this watch on the wrist. We will also check the weight of this watch and also the dial diameter in millimeter. So let's try this watch on the wrist first to see how it looks. So viewers, this is how it looks on the wrist. It is pretty attractive watch with the black leather and white. You can order this Casio watch online in Pakistan from our store watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available. Within 3 to 5 days you will receive your order. And for international customers, we have given a link in the description. So please click on the link to order this watch online. Also, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 031022333484.